Thank you. Cool. Welcome into this video. I would like to take you through how you can create a professional monetizable YouTube channel using your phone. What you need to do in case you are using an Android device, just get into the Play Store. In case you are using iPhone, just get to the App Store. But in my case, I'm demonstrating using an Android device, so I just get into my phone Play Store. When I get into my phone Play Store, I'll just give it time to open. So let me give it time to open. So what I need to do, I just need to click this Gmail icon in the upper right hand side of my App Store or Play Store interface. Let me click above it. Then what I need to do basically, I just need to click this drop down arrow here. So I can scroll and then go to here you have add another account. So when you come to where we have add another account, what you're supposed to do, you need to verify yourself. Then from there, I just need to come here and choose to create an account. So don't make a mistake of using for selecting for my personal use. Just select for work or my business in order to make it a business YouTube channel, which it will be easy to monetize, and then adjusting the name of your channel. Technically, in case you choose for my personal use, monetizing this channel will give you a lot of headache. So let us click for work or my business. Then we need to have a domain name maybe which technically resembles the name of our channel. What can we do? I need to create a YouTube channel relating to children, or which will be creating children content, which they are CBC classes. So the name of the channel is technically Megex Kids. The last name I can just choose channel. Then I need to hit next. So the date of birth, you can just use your date of birth. Like mine, I was born in August 14th, 2001. So my gender is a male. Then I just hit next. So as you can see, now the domain name which is being used by Gmail is the domain name of our channel, and it is free. This is technique which you can help you to create a domain name that relates to your channel. So just click OK, then click next. Then I need to give this channel a very strong password. So just turn off this one, but don't hack me. I know you can follow me and hack me, but don't do it. Then I just hit next. So review your account information. You can use this email address to sign in later. So just ensure you remember it. So it is megexkidschannel@gmail.com. Say yes, we remember. We are good people. We have a good memory. Then I agree. So you read this information. Don't be ignorant like me. So it is logging in. So let us give a time to log in into our channel. Then we shall do some multiple customization here and there. So as you can notice, our account is already now added to our device. So in order to view it, you just need to click this Gmail icon in the upper right hand side of your Play Store. Then what you need to do again, just expand your Play Store. Then you need to come to where we have Megex channel. So we need to agree with the term of the Google. So it is here. So it is here with us now. So now how we will be able to customize this channel which you have created, the newly created channel. Don't worry. We need to get back and then head into our YouTube. Hope I have active data. Then what we need to do, just click this icon, then select to your then get to your account. So I just switch to the account which I have created in case you had already pre-existing account. So just switch to the account which we have recently created. I have multiple account due to I always create these channels for people when they get stuck. So now in case this is the first, so you need to switch to the account to head into the newly created account, as I have switched from my personal account now to my professional monetizable YouTube account. So what I need to do, I can now come here and click the icon. In your case, it can be in the right hand side, in the right upper hand side of your YouTube interface, but in my case, it is in the bottom right hand side of my YouTube channel. So just click that icon, then click create a channel. So I can ignore the picture one, then I can just go direct to creating a channel so that I show you how we can customize it. So let me come here, then click view my channel again. Then we need now to customize it. So let me show you. To customize, just let us click here and then see what we can do. So let's click create or no. So I want us to customize our channel. Okay, let's click here. So we need to click this pencil like icon in this side, which this one, I think you can see it in the upper right hand side of our interface next to this icon here, analytic icon. It is here. So we can upload the logo, our YouTube logo. So as you can remember, I saved it in my gallery. So I just need to head into my gallery. Then I need to select my logo here and then save as the profile picture. So it is saving. So success received. So I need to add the banner. To add the banner, I just need to click here, then choose from photos. The banner is here, then click save. In case you need to know how we create these banners and logos, you need to watch my next video, which will be showing you how you can create professional YouTube banners and how you can customize them to be visible in all devices. Like you can notice, this banner does not show the name which I had inputted here since it is hiding for fun because of the size of the gadget. Then I need to give my YouTube channel a name. So I just do some adjustments. I think even I don't need to do them as some adjustments. Just make Kids channel. I can save it. Then I need to give a short description about this channel. So to do this, it has been made too easy by, how do you call it, by AI. You can just get a simple description using AI. Let me get back view channel. Then we need to continue with this pencil like icon. So I need to give this channel here, I need to give this channel a description. So to give it a description, I can head into my YouTube channel, my how do you call it, my WhatsApp. Then I can copy this message here. So I have requested the Meta AI help me create an enticing description about Megex Kid Academy that will focus on teaching kids about various subjects. I've given a very enticing description here, which I technically loved, and I was happy about the AI. So I just come and copy and paste that description here. So I can just remove these this information from the AI. Then I can delete this one, and you can see we have a very nice description in our YouTube channel. And then I'll save it, and we can try and view it. Then click this customize button. So as you can see, we already have our channel here. So and we are good to go. So nothing else to add. So let me try and see if we can be able to add anything else. Don't think we can add anything else from here. So privacy, keep all my subscription private. We don't need to keep them private. So and that is it. So now from there, you can start uploading your video, and you can be able to view the performance of your video. You can just click analytic to create. You just need to click create and then upload the video. And that is the simplest method how you can create a professional YouTube channel using only your phone. The technique is only just remembering when you are creating a YouTube channel using your phone and you want it to be monetizable, don't create for personal use. Remember to create for work or business in order to allow you even to be able to adjust your channel name rather than the domain name. I'm using an easier method where I'm using the domain name as the channel name and making it more professional in case you need to share the email and use it for brands. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumb up and also to hit the subscribe button so that you never miss out any of our future running content like this. We also value your sentiment. You can send them in the comment section, and also you can use my email and my contact to contact me. I just put them all in the description. Thank you for watching, and may Almighty God bless you as you create your professional and monetizable YouTube channel. Thank you.